Welcome to this short introduction to the Niimblr platform. First, create a new project or open an existing one, then simply drag and drop your content to share with the project members. You can drag assets into the Ready for Review column and assign who should review this specific asset. If you need to add more project members, just type in their mail, and they will receive a link to get in. Giving feedback is intuitive regardless of what format you are working on. Just simply click anywhere and add your notes. Forget about messy email chains, typing time codes, and getting slow or imprecise feedback. Instead, you and your client can experience a faster and smarter feedback process. All previous versions are available, making sure that everyone is looking at the newest version. Comparing versions makes it easy to inspect changes. Everyone can see who has raised issues or commented on existing ones. Once issues are resolved and the content considered done, the client can select, approve, and download the final version. From the project view, everyone can see what is either planned, in progress, ready for review, or already approved. You can also see who is either working on the asset or expected to do the review and ultimately approve. This makes both project scope and responsibilities super clear for everyone. Once in the platform, the history log can be visited to understand all actions that have taken place, giving a full audit trail from initial creation to final delivery. All project members gets email updates when changes are made, making it easy for clients to find the asset they are expected to review. You can also just send a direct link on any channel you use. If you have many projects, the search and filter options make it easy to locate exactly the content you are looking for. Niimblr gives you and your client a shared overview of the content you are creating, regardless of where it is in the production process. This allows you to create content faster with fewer iterations and have happier customers. Try Niimblr today.